Based on what I've seen of the HA5 on our roadways so far, I would highly recommend its use. It's almost like having new asphalt there. It is beautiful looking. My name is Bob O'Hara. I'm the president of the board of the Vasaro Homeowners Association here in Chandler, Arizona. Vasaro's a community of 116 homes, almost fully built out now. Some of our biggest challenges are keeping up with the maintenance as the community grows a little bit older. We're just over 20 years old, and all of the infrastructure, common area stuff is beginning to age and wear out. Staying on top of that is our biggest challenge right now. We want to keep the roadways drivable, useful as long as possible, because it's one of the largest expenses that our homeowners association will bear. With the roads that we have here in Vasaro, we're looking at several $100,000 worth of expense to repave. And maintaining the asphalt that we have today will allow us to accrue the funds that we need over a longer period and make the lives of our neighbors that much simpler, as that repaving effort will be pushed out as well. We've done seal coats on the roadways here in Vasaro twice before since I've been here, which would last 2 to 3 years. This year, when we were looking at needing to resurface the streets again, we looked around, and one of the proposals we received had material that we hadn't seen in any of the proposals previously. The HA5 was new to us as a board and to our community manager. We reviewed the materials that were supplied to us by Holbrook and compared that along with the cost and expected lifetimes of the various products. And the board came to the decision that it would be less expensive to use the HA5 product rather than the standard seal coat that we had used in the past. The lifetime of the HA5 was longer by a significant amount than the standard seal coat. And when we look at having to recoat the roads 2 or 3 times over the next 10 years with the standard seal coat, that became more expensive than the amount we would have to spend for the HA5 material. And the board decided that yes, we could save $1 or $2 today, but in the long run, we'd be spending a whole lot more for standard seal coat much more often than we would need to spend when coating with HA5. I think that the HA5 material has held up really well since we've put it out. I can't say that I would recommend using anything less than HA5 in the future.